Sandy from Sunday Page. This is my YouTube channel. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe my videos for more updates. And I have posted like the technical analysis part 1. So let's get into technical analysis part 2, what I've done in the past. And there's a couple of stocks are there again, and we are focusing on that. So let's get into the DLF and dollar index. So I don't just want to trim the video as soon as possible, and this is what happened. See, in the DLF chart, what has happened is this is a monthly time frame. So it almost like exactly the resistance. So what is happening? I took the weekly time frame. Again, the market is touching because taking a kind of sideways market consolidation. So once this breaks the key resistance, we can expect an upward side in the DLF upcoming days. And what is happening? And we need to wait for the days. And the dollar index. See, this is a dollar index currency, and this is a falling wedge. Falling wedge always gives a breakout pattern in the upside. So the market is taking a retracement, and once maybe it touches here, otherwise going like a forming uptrend over here. So once this increases, then definitely the stock market would crash in the coming days or months. We need to wait for that. And let's get into the next stock. So what is happening? So let's get into the next stock. Thing is like Dr. Reddy. I think Target got it, Dr. Reddy, and this is what Dr. Reddy. I took it as a, let's see what is the time frame, Dr. Reddy, and already the targets got it, Dr. Reddy. Dr. Reddy, exactly, this is a day time frame. See, falling channel, broken, exactly the target. Again, retracement happening, so forming kind of like forming a retracement. Once this breaks 5450, and we can expect a uptrend in upcoming days. So this stock gives daily volatility of 200 points, and we need to wait for that. So let's see in the next stock, Eicher Motors. Eicher Motors, falling channel. Again, trend got broken, hit in the target. The first target got it. Again, going uptrend side, Eicher Motors also. So all the stocks giving kind of an indication that the technical analysis is very, very important, right? It's a key factor because you're going to predict the future. So this is what happened. See, this is a symmetrical triangle. This is ascending triangle. Sorry, this is ascending triangle in daytime frame. Again, the target got it. Exactly, target got it. Again, taking a support here. See, the resistance broken, support turns, and again like forming a kind of, I would say kind of what could I say, inverted head and shoulders forming. So I need to wait for that. See, if it breaks here, and 1450 is the target for next target I'm expecting. So happiest mind, it's a huge stock. This is a bonanza stock for me. This is one of the best stocks I have made a profit. Yeah, see, daytime frame. Again, there's a big triangle pattern, descending triangle. Again, a small descending, sub-descending triangle. The broken breakout given. Target got it. Again, taking a support. Retracement. Again, taking a support. Idea given a jackpot. See, you can see the right now the idea has crossed almost like 13 rupees. Exactly the target. You can see it nowadays. So I have posted on December 31st. Right now, that time the price was 10 rupees 65 paise. The target almost like right now that it's a 13 rupees, close to 13 rupees. So Jubilant Life, right? This is a Jubilant Life. See what happened. I think Footworks, I believe, sorry, Life. Sorry. I think it's I'm making a mistake. I made a mistake again. So Jubilant Life side, weekly time, day time frame, falling channel, breakout given, target got it. Again, forming it like close to like taking consolidation here, almost like past 7 days taking consolidation. So we need to wait. Again, that's what. See, I'm always telling we need to wait, so we can expect some kind of pattern in upcoming days. Marico. See the Marico, great stock. What a pattern form, Marico. Sub channels, Marico. See, sub channels taking a support resistance, a small channel, support resistance. The market is forming a wonderful pattern. See, channel, again a sub channel, again a sub channel. So 3 channels are running right now inside the market. This is a lifetime pattern. This is once we get in a lifetime. Let's see Maruti.